Wonderlines! Hi friends! Welcome to Wonderlines. Today, we are learning the letter B. B is the second letter of the alphabet. Now, we color the letter B blue. Next, we add an outline to the letter B. Blue letter B. Nice letter B. Now, we draw a banana. Banana starts with the letter B. I like bananas. Bananas are sweet and yummy. Now, we color the banana yellow. Yellow banana. We color the top of the banana light brown. Let's add an outline to the banana. Next, we draw a butterfly. Butterfly also starts with the letter B. A butterfly is a beautiful insect. Let's use many colors to make it pretty. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Pink. Light orange. Now, we add an outline to the butterfly. Now, let's see the wonder. Wonderlines!